Warren is really a lovely town. We have always felt comfortable and welcome. Hi, I'm Sandy Malika. We've lived here at 20 Olson Drive in Warren for 35 years. It's just a wonderful place to live. You really have the best of all worlds here because you're living in a peaceful, quiet, uncongested area. But there are many restaurants here. The shops are great. So you've got golf, you've got swimming, you've got tennis, wonderful supermarkets. Everything you need is right here. And within minutes, you can be on a train into New York City. It's just a great, convenient area to live in. It's a wonderful community in which to raise children. Watchung Hills was a great school, and the school prepared the children very well for good colleges. We moved here in 1983. Right from the beginning, this house felt like home. This house really has a great flow. I would set up buffet dinners in my breakfast room. They could take all the food right to the dining room and be seated there. And then we would go into the living room and there was room for everybody. Our family room has a wonderful brick fireplace, and it's a wood-burning fireplace. And it's such a cozy, beautiful room. We have a nice study on the first floor for an office. In 1997, we expanded the kitchen because we knew that our children also love to cook. And when we put our breakfast area in, it was like a private little dining room there. The builder did a great job in designing this house because he put the master bedroom on one side of the house and he put the children's bedrooms on the other side of the house. We loved the fact that we had woods in the back. It's so lovely in the morning. You hear the birds. We were thrilled with the patio, which we increased. We have a screened-in porch, which I will always miss. If anybody appreciates nature, you're going to really see it in this house. My hope is that someone will buy the house who will love the house as much as we have.